Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to convert ChatGPT text to PDF. Now there are two ways we're going to do this, and the first way is of course to generate some text on ChatGPT in order to convert it to PDF. So we're simply going to write a prompt. So right here we have two paragraphs as asked, and we're going to simply say create a PDF with your previous response. So right here it says your PDF is ready, you can download it using the link below. So once we click on it, it's downloading the file, and once we open it, it's going to use our browser to open the file. So there you have a PDF from text right there in ChatGPT. The second option, of course, is to copy the text. And this is the longer method, but it's important to know this as another option. So we're going to copy this text. Then we're going to open a document with Google Docs. And right here in our Google Docs, we're going to click on blank document. Then we're going to paste the text which we copied from ChatGPT. So here we have the text copied from ChatGPT into our Google document. And we're going to go over to File at the top right corner, click on File, then click on Download, then select PDF. Now, of course, you might want to name this document. So we're going to say Grokpedia. And we're going to go over to File, go down to Download, select PDF document, and there you have it, our second option in converting ChatGPT text to PDF. We're going to click Open File, and there you have it. This is the first, and this is the second. One with ChatGPT within ChatGPT, and the second option is with ChatGPT using Google Docs. So these are the options on how to convert ChatGPT text to PDF.